it's Dimitri, and today I'm just going to do a quick check. It's the first of the spring here in Dallas. It's got a crazy day of 80 degrees. It's been 40. First thing we're going to look at is just looking at the ground. I noticed there's a few bees crawling around. I'm not sure exactly if they're sick, if they're old, what the deal is, but there's only a few, so not too concerning. We're going to dive into Queen Anne here on the right, and we're going to just look for signs of food. Do they have enough food? Are they bringing pollen in? Does the hive look healthy? I don't really care about the queen. I'm not going to look for her, but let's just dive on in. Alright, so first sign to know is a lot of these bees coming in don't have anything on them. But there are quite a few with just really, really big, bright yellow pollen sacs. So I think that's a good sign moving forward. The weather's been a little fickle, but I'm debating on actually taking off my Vivaldi boards. We will see. I'm not quite sure at this point. Oh crap, there's a yellow jacket's nest in the lid here. Let's just kill them since we're in our suit. Oh man, they're coming at me. They're feeding on ladybugs. Oh, these are gross. I'm gonna take the Vivaldi board off, guys. This is not good. So these hives have not been opened in months, because it's been winter here. But we're just going to open up a few of these and kind of look inside and see what's going on. Alright. A little bit of honey on this comb. Alright, another empty frame. A frame with quite a bit of honey. A lot of ladies that are just working it today. A few that are a little testy. I'm not sure why, it's great weather today. Alright, another frame. The honey and nectar coming in quite well. Empty frame that's still being built. And then just pushing through, it looks like more honey packed towards that side. I'm just going to separate these frames for ease of access later down the road. Alright, we're going to put all these back in. Being careful not to squish bees, though it does happen. Alright. Nose is a bit runny. Put these ladies back in, same way we got them out. Squish this back. Squished one or two bees. It's okay. Alright, we're just going to pop off a box or two and just kind of peek in. Again, I don't really care if where the queen's at. She looks to be doing quite healthy. This box is real noisy. This looks to be mainly honey as well, just from peeking in. So we're going to just pop this last box off here and look for the eggs to make sure the queen is laying. Looks busiest on this side, so we're just going to pull one frame from the busy side, hoping not to squish anything, especially the queen. That would be detrimental to the hive. Very carefully pulling this out. It looks like pollen's being packed in here with a few eggs. Oh, there's eggs and larvae on this side. And the frame next to it looks to have a bunch of eggs as well. So definitely don't want to lose my queen. There's one drone comb. Just set this over here for now. Oops, be very careful. Try to avoid losing any of these guys. Okay. Alright, and this is what we're looking for. There's a good, well, I'm not going to say a good pattern, but you can see it's pretty well covered in eggs. A few bees of pollen. They are taking pretty good care of each other, it looks like. So I'm happy. This is a successful hive for the spring here. Carefully put this back in. I mean, if I saw Queen Anne, it'd be pretty awesome, but we're not going to look for her. And these ones are fanning. Excuse me. Put you back in where you came from. Just very gently, not to squish any bees and allow them to crawl out of the way. Okay, guys, that's it. That's the checkup here on Queen Anne. She passes, she's A-okay. Again, we're not going to put the Vivaldi board back on. I think it's just a nesting ground for hornets and other things in the summertime. We'll slide this forward as well to get an opening so they can come in and out the front and the bottom. And we're also going to open up the front a little bit so they can get more bees in and out.